Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, A Day in the Life of Rhea. Thanks for stopping by and tuning in, and welcome to today's video. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 12. I'm about to get in here and get in this kitchen and cook these festive stuffed peppers. So stay tuned if you would like to see how I'm spending Vlogmas Day 12. I don't plan to be in this kitchen all day, so I'm about to hurry up and get started. So I have all my ingredients here and I'm about to get started. I think I would like to have corn in this one since I didn't add corn in the one that I did for Christmas, but they weren't stuffed peppers. They were just like, you know, a Tostito dip with the ground beef. So let me go ahead and get started. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do, of course, is start this oven for 350. Okay. So I'm just going to add a little bit of oil to the pan and let that heat up while I season up the ground turkey. This garlic salt loves to get stuck. I can just season the other side after I put it in the pan. I don't like wasting my seasonings. Pat, 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 pat. I'm going to cut this up a little bit because I'm impatient and season the rest of this on this side. Then I can get started on the peppers. I'll probably put the peppers in the oven by themselves so they can get tender while this is getting cooked. Because I like my food to be done at the same time. And I'm greedy and I don't like waiting. I have to remember which seasonings I use. It doesn't matter, it'll turn out good. Get it all marinated. It smells good already. Alright, let me get started with these peppers. Okay, so I'm going to cut the tops of the peppers off. Some of these I had the last time I did my Vlogmas shopping online delivery. And I cut some of these already. One of them came kind of open at the top. And I used it for another dish, like a little piece on the side. So I'll see what I come up with. Just cut the tops off. And I'll be chopping these up to put them in the ground turkey mixture. I'll go check on this ground turkey real quick. And I need to cut the insides out. I haven't done this in a while. I was thinking about this the other day. Like, how did I get the inside part out good? Get all these seeds out. I hate these little pieces like these. Yeah, I don't like this. And I scrape this part off. I don't like that part. Alright, almost one down. This ground turkey is getting done kind of quick, so I cut it down to give me some more time. Make this even. I can use this little piece to put inside the mixture. I'm about to check on this ground turkey again. I know it's almost done. I'm hungry. So my ground turkey is pretty much done, but I just cut it off so that I could finish cutting up the peppers and put the peppers and corn and cheese in here. This one kind of got frozen by accident, so I think I'm throwing that away. I don't like the texture. It's like flimsy. And these tops from the pepper, I'll just use these to put inside the mixture. I always say chopping up vegetables is so therapeutic for me. So I'm just going to drizzle these with oil and put them in the oven for a little bit with some foil while I finish cutting up these peppers and put them in the ground turkey. Oh, and throw the corn in and the cheese. I haven't done this in a while. I'll just add some water to the bottom and hopefully it can help steam quicker. So I'll just leave them in there for about 15 minutes and go ahead and get started on this part and then stuff them and put them back in there. All right, so my peppers are chopped. I'm cutting this ground beef back on. My peppers in. And next I'm adding in the corn, but I do drink corn juice. I probably won't use the whole can. A little juice won't hurt. I'll probably add a little bit more seasonings. This looks pretty. I can mix it all up. Keep the juices going. I can't wait to taste this and then add my cheese and put it all in the oven. I need a good ratio of everything. Don't judge me. All right. Pretty good. Alright, so I'm going to add in my cheese. I already made sure they are small pieces of ground turkey and not clumped up. Anyways, I need to check on these peppers. I can add the rest of the can in a minute. So I'm going to cut this off. This is done. I need to let these peppers get soft a little bit more and then I think I'll be done. Oh, I want to add some pepper jack cheese on top, so I'll put it all together and let it sit in there for a little bit. If y'all saw me make this for my late night snack on Thanksgiving, you will know I cannot stay out of this pan. So I'm going to stuff these peppers so I make sure I have enough. And then I'll be dipping in here while I wait for it to all get done. I feel like I'm going to make a mess. So they're all stuffed. This is what I got left to snack on until it's all done. I'm about to add some of this pepper jack cheese on top and put it back in and wait for it to get done. Patiently waiting for my peppers to get done. No sauce left behind. They're smelling good. So while I have that going, I'm in the mood to make a nice little quick drink. I'll probably taste it together first and see. Fingers crossed. It's interesting. I think it would taste better if it was even colder. I don't know, these taste old or something. I had one the other day, it didn't taste quite right. Oh yeah, that tastes good. I'll probably put it in the refrigerator to let it get even colder. And hopefully these peppers are done. So I'm having a hard time keeping them flat so they don't flip over. I should have cut the bottom part off, but it was standing up kind of good at first. So I'm going to attempt to cut the bottom part off of this one. The green one is standing up pretty good. All right, y'all, so it's finally time for me to sit down and see what these stuffed peppers taste like. I hope it's soft and tender. Nice. So it's looking kind of good. I'm ready to eat for real this time. Really good and cheesy. Guess I can cut this whole thing up. Yummy. Pepper jack. Let me taste this pepper jack. All right, y'all, so I'm really about to dig in this food and enjoy the rest of my meal and my drink that I made. So anyways, you know what to do if you would like to support the channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. Peace.